Next up, Left Behind for Handshake, and this one works in tandem with Last Farewell for Gunny. These two missions you'll get at the same time. For this, we need to locate a body and either mark the location of the body for Gunny, in which case we'll improve the reputation here, or we can instead not mark the body and return the unused tracker to Handshake, in which case he'll give us 2 vests, a bit of money, and some more reputation. Which one should you take and why? Well, I'm not entirely too sure at this current point in time, but do you want better weapons or do you want better armor, for example? I don't think we really know the full extent of what choice you make here. In Tarkov, for example, it's the difference between one level and another, and you'll really struggle to get a certain vendor all the way up to max level, but in this case, I'll go ahead and hand in my unused tracker to Handshake for 2 vests and some money. That is, of course, because I've visited the location and I didn't actually have a tracker with me. So essentially, when you accept either of these missions, you'll need to purchase a tracker from vendors Gunny Trade at the very bottom over here, just to make sure you can go to the location and either mark it for Gunny or not mark it for Handshake. Where exactly is this body? Well, I'll be showing you in just a minute, but on the map, if we look over at the area over here, you can see the general T-shape of the town. Just remember, it'll be rotated based on whichever faction you're in, and all the way over here. So following the T to the right, this dirt up this road here, and then eventually you'll find a fork in the road where a dirt road goes off to the right. This location right over here is where we need to head, and you'll find the body. You can either then mark it or not mark it. Let's go ahead and do that now. Alright, so here we go. We're approaching this little building in the middle of nowhere over here. When we eventually get here, you'll see that there's usually 2 to 3 guards just roaming around the place. There's one, and the other 3 are sitting back here, apparently all huddled together. Very weird, but anyways, here we go. Need to heal up quickly. We've now healed up, and as we're all the way out here, you can see that the body is just sitting here next to this house. So at this point, you can either choose to place the tracker if you want to support Gunny, or you can choose to just pack up and leave if you want to support Handshake. You have 2 options, and you can only hand in one of those quests. So which one will it be? It's for you to decide. Anyways, from here, once you've either done or not done whatever you're going to do, you can go ahead and exfil. That's pretty much it. Alright, having returned back to base, we can either complete the Left Behind quest for Handshake, should we choose to not mark the body, or if you go across to Gunny, you can choose to hand it in here, assuming you have marked the body. I'll simply be choosing the Handshake option here for no other reason than I get 2 bits of armor and I kind of need armor. So I'll hand over my unused tracker, and there we go, it's now complete. You'll also get a message from Gunny, and you'll see the quest vanishes here. The message says, I wasn't expecting much, incredible. So the quest is gone from here, and we've now completed it for Left Behind over here. It's a 2-for-1 mission, but anyways, we got it done. Anyways, hopefully you made the right choice. Nobody really knows what the right choice is just yet, but thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.